Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're going to go over the X580 robotic vacuum cleaner. This is made by YTE. Okay. So let's go over what's included in the box. You're going to get your warranty card and contact info. You're going to get your user manual. You're going to get this pamphlet. It's going to show you how to set up Amazon Alexa, and on the flip side, it'll show you how to set up Google Assistant. So this is pretty useful pamphlet. You're going to get a remote control. It takes AAA batteries. The batteries are not included. You're going to get a power adapter. You're going to get a home base, and then on the left side here is where you plug it in to give it power. You're going to get two sets of left, color-coded in white, and right, color-coded in orange brushes. You're going to get a cleaning tool, and it has a little blade on it to help you clean it. You're going to get an extra brush, and also an extra filter. When you get the robot here, you're going to see it's going to have these white tabs. Simply take them off. They're just there to protect the bumper guard during transportation. Alright, so on the bottom side here, you're going to see a white and orange colored part here. These are the left and the right. So you just need to line it up and put them in there. So assembly is pretty easy. Alright, so if you want to give power to the robot, come over here to this side, and there's like a little button here that you flip, and that'll give it power. Also, if you need to directly charge the device, you can do it from here. On the top side here, you're going to have a power button, and you're also going to have a charge button. The power button stops and starts the cleaning process. Also, if you hold down the power button, it will activate the Wi-Fi signal. So right here, it'll let you know if the Wi-Fi is working or not. Also, the charging button here will send the robot back home. All right. So another cool feature about the robot, it has this little extrusion here. So this thing spins around, and it captures the perimeters of your house. So it's a pretty cool feature. You can see it done in the app when you set it up. If you have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.